to turn on Autoplay Next Video in Facebook app. This tutorial shows you how to enable automatic video playback so the next video plays continuously on Facebook. First, launch the Facebook application on your Android device. Next, the newsfeed will appear showing posts and updates from your friends. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Now, scroll down through the menu to find Settings and Privacy. Moving forward, tap on Settings and Privacy to expand additional options. Afterwards, tap on Settings to access your account configuration. In addition to that, scroll down to find Media or Media and Contacts section. Once you're there, tap on Media to access video and photo settings. Subsequently, look for Videos and Photos or Video Settings option. Moreover, you'll see various video playback preferences displayed. Afterwards, look for Autoplay or Autoplay Videos option in the list. Then, tap on Autoplay to configure automatic video playback settings. Within this section, you'll see options like on mobile data and Wi-Fi, on Wi-Fi only, or never. Alternatively, select on mobile data and Wi-Fi for videos to autoplay on any connection. Once you've selected your preferred option, the setting will save automatically. Then, go back to your Facebook feed to test the autoplay feature. Afterwards, scroll through your feed and videos will start playing automatically. Then, when one video ends, the next video in your feed will begin playing automatically. Moreover, you can also enable sound autoplay by adjusting audio settings in the same menu. Afterwards, your Facebook videos will now play continuously without manual intervention. Then, you've successfully enabled Autoplay Next Video in the Facebook app. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you turn on Autoplay Next Video in Facebook app, give it a like, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.